Ayan, 31 nang makalipas ng alas 7 ng gabi. So, yan. Magandang gabi and welcome to Musical Podcast. Siyempre, nagpahinga muna si Luna Lily Love kasi grabe naman ang impeachment trial ni Sarah. Okay. Aish! Mag-move on naman tayo dyan, no? Nakaka-eme talaga ang balita sa impeachment trial. Grabe. Nakakaloka talaga. Well, syempre, sitting in for Luna Lily Love, this is DJ Honeybee. And this is your second show. Syempre, kanina pa, nung nagsalita na si Luna Lily Love, sabi daw, kanina pa lang napaaga talaga ang premiere. Kaya, excited na siya. Kaya, so, she forced to go on a live broadcasting session. And, you know it. Oh, sinabi mo na. Well, this was the first show I ever come up with it. So, grabe. Grabe si admin. Ang daming tail light. Malamang. Mayaman naman. Anyaman. Siyempre, mayaman talaga. Mayaman talaga. O, di ba? Nauna pa lang tayo dito sa show. Kaya, sinimulan ko na yung second show ko. So, yeah. I came up here to start the show. So, it only takes an hour to start the show. And you know, what about that? Excited na excited ka pa rin. Makakapag-chill out or makikipagsayawan ni DJ Sting? Well, kung oo, mag-comment lang kayo ng GIF na yes. Tapos, lalabas ang GIF mo. Diba? Kaya nga sinabi ko sabi niya, paagahan na natin to. Bago mag alas 7:30 ng gabi. Siyempre, makakasama niya siya hanggang alas 8:30 ng gabi. So, ayun. 34 minutong makalipas ng alas 6 na gabi. So, I swear to God, you're excited. Siyempre, whether you're excited, ewan ko na lang. Kaya nga pala, you're excited to have fun and vibe along with us. Oh, ganon. Whether you're on to the jam, whether you're on the mix, syempre, kasama niyo pala si DJ Sting. You're excited! Syempre, wag na natin to patagalin pa. I had to sing a few more songs before the show is about to start.